Oh, Virgil don't get off the boat. Y'all are gonna have to get the gas and come back here. Now y'all signal at me when you get the gasoline now.
We should be in and out of here. Get the gas, get back to shore, signal Virgil with the flare gun and the gun bag. Then we should just, oh, hell. Tell me someone brought the gun bag.
What gun bag? You didn't grab the guns?
Me? I told Nick to grab the guns.
Me? Who died and made me gun? The gas station's right across the street. Let's just get the gas and then we'll figure out how to signal Virgil.
Kill him. You get him. No. Yep.
I hope no one minds us taking these guns.
Yep. Shotgun. Yo. Yo.
I'm out of gas. You're out of gas. They're out of gas.
What the? What the? Oh well, this is
Oh, you won.
I got him.
Much better.
Jiggly body.
Hold up.
But
Look for landmarks.
forwards.
It might be dark on our way back.
We go to the front. We go front.
I got the first aid. Boom,
Hey, I got first aid kit if somebody needs it.
Oh, hell. Looks like a bad storm's coming.
Oh, some items for return trip. Oh yeah, because we're gonna go back here. So anything we take,
You hear that charger?
yeah. Pedophile. It's you.
It doesn't ask for consent.
It's you. It's you. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm playing with a pedophile.
Reloading.
We should try installing mods sometimes.
Once you complete the entire story.
Through this playground.
Or campaign mods where we can make it up. Behind you. Never mind.
Sounds like a wish.
I'm on the slide. Yay.
Reloading.
How much gonna kill you?
A katana. A katana here.
Okay. Okay.
Katana here. Katana here.
Reloading.
Katana. Katana. You don't know what katana means.
No, I could not.
Reloading.
You're shooting me again. Got a chainsaw.
No, come back.
Weapons over here.
oldest survived. I was 3 years old when we were still some fucking
Heads up!
Let's see.
I don't think there is one.
Shit! Watch out!
No, no, we already went last. I don't know where it is, but
Through this house.
Reloading!
We did? Oh.
Guns here.
there was an AK-47 back there.
Get off, bitch.
Right, that's at the buildings, man.
Oh yeah, they said that there was a big push for my release from the back end of Miami Metro. Reloading. Set me up. I'm not the one of the setup.
Oh, she's up here.
Chest paddles here.
Follow the security lock.
Look out.
I'm on the topic.
Bro. Yeah.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah, go after me. Never, it's a dead. The camera blood. Me then. God sale. Guns. Damage, I'm gonna try.
Take it off. Let's go. I owe you one.
I don't have no shell.
It was the word now.
Wanna get my shield? Sorry.
I am not gonna die. He'll pick me up. That's good.
Down this road, I think.
Don't shoot that car.
We want all the smoke. I don't think it was this map actually. Oh, whoops.
And the results of the death warrant for the chief had found in the
Yeah!
I thought that what was happening.
He was happy. Leave him alone. Yeah! Pungadungarang, pungadungarang.
There's a 2 words on
Most time
it.
should attack. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
I have something.
I like how Ellis was still under attack and he did the least damage.
Mama!
You got touched by the witch. I like this.
Oh,
Thank you, Rochelle. Thank you. Let's go.
Hey.
Let's go, man.
Stop shooting each other. There's the sugar mill.
Reload!
Through this building.
Where did
You can try searching this place for some loot.
Reloading.
That'll keep me tight.
Reloading.
So there's an upstairs.
Careful, I hear a boomer.
Hey, I'm reload.
I don't never mind.
This way.
This rain doesn't look like it's gonna work.
Sounds like a hunter.
Reloading.
Yeah, that's true.
Grabbing a shot. Reloading. Fire spit coming. I pissed the witch off.
Lights.
Don't worry, just get me out.
For the pipe bomb.
Thanks.
Sige.
Got pills. Reloading. Got a chainsaw.
Yeah, that's why I'm scared of this place. It's filled with witches.
I see. Shooting to
Yeah. Get near it and then use it.
Look out!
Yeah, that's why I'm also scared about this place. Thanks, fucking everywhere. There's another one, and yeah.
Reloading. This ain't how I thought it would go. There's a spitter around.
Here's another one. Here. It's down here. Down here. Down here.
Can we not shoot each other? The water's starting to pool. Shit. Hot stuff coming!
Sorry. There's another one here. There's another one. There's another one here. Alright, now I'm gonna use the first aid kit. No, bro. You let me use it first. I have no ammo in my gun now. Elevator. Elevator. And another witch.
I hear a smoker.
Fire in the hole! Keep moving! Head for the sun!
There's two of them. There's two of them. We all both together. It wants you. It wants you. There you go. Another one should be right there. Yes, in front of you. In front of you.
Head for
Okay.
the side! Keep moving! Kill the charger! Look out now! Coach, come on!
There's another witch. I don't know, man.
Get to the station!
Keep moving.
Okay, we're near a safe house. Safe house.
They be proud out there, people.
Dun 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 dun.
Was the most damage rich? Hell yeah. Damn, 6,000.
6,000. Yeah, I think witches have 1,000 health. I think.
Damn, brother.
So you killed at least. Yeah, you killed 7.
Yeah. Tanks. Darn tanks.
Dong 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 dong.
Everybody got a gas can? I do not.
Okay,
Back to the damn boat.
yeah, we're gonna go back now.
Hey, let's stop shooting each other, please.
Is it ever pissing down?
Reloading.
No, this is the scary part. I think this is where I'm scared at. Yeah, returning. When we're returning. Yeah, I hate this part. When I was back then, when I was a child. And oh shit, yep. Yeah. As you can see. Actually, you're right. That's a good. That's a good describe. Yeah, description. Oh.
You take the elevator back up.
But that's the wrong way. Yeah. So you understand.
We should have waited when the rain is.
Very lively when we go, and not lively when we go back. Can you have your flashlight on? I'll keep it on. There's no witch. Oh wow. Oh no. Oh no. Jeez. As soon as we opened that, we were introduced. Something greeted us.
I got hit by burning goose shit.
Sylvester. Holy shit! Look around you. This is why I hate this. This is why I hate this part. Take him on. I'll try shooting it as well to help you. Okay, it's dead. Please. Why they went after you because you killed the one and only mate. There should be supplies in here.
Everybody grab a weapon.
Okay, I'm gonna take the things I have.
Okay. I'll find me some rifles.
I'm gonna take a shotgun now. Alright. Let's move on the side actually. Let's take a safe walk.
We can cross here.
You can tell who played this game before.
Little jockeys is around.
There could be something in here. No.
I left it. But
Oh. Okay, we can cross now. Okay, we have to help. We need to help them. Help them. There's. This is down. Okay, cool. Easy. It's we're flooding.
There's a smoker around here. We gotta go back through here.
safe. I think not even this is safe.
Reload.
Yeah. There's barely any, and we just sped run that.
Tank damage. I was prepared to put that thing down. It pushed
How would it pushed you off the bridge?
yeah, it shoved me.
You should add more updates to Left 4 Dead 2. A couple of years.
Dang.
Shit.
This flooded fast.
Feel bad, sabi later.
But I sent a few ones.
My dogs are barking. They're oh damn man. Ladder
Watch out!
over here. And then here. Oh shit. Your shell is down. Wait, what the hell? You can climb this thing? Oh. Oh shit! Give a shit!
Reloading.
There might be some stuff you can get here. This house. It's so dark. Oh, it's dark. It's so dark again. You shot me. High ground.
Gotta reload. Reloading. Everybody grab a weapon.
Oh, what the hell? That caught me?
Reloading.
It's the ambulance.
I almost shot the bitch, bro.
Wait. Let me go to it. Oh, never mind.
Oh, I see.
Wait, let me try. I think this is still possible. Wait. Press. Yep. Holy shit!
Shooting me.
This Discord. You killed the I killed the Discord kitten. The Spitterhawk 2 wood. Oh, it barely missed you.
Oh my gosh. I was on
The playground. We're almost there.
but it missed me. Is that a tank?
There's the rack.
Watch out!
Don't shoot me. Reloading.
One last push and we out of here. Stand together.
Open the fucking door! It's open the fucking door! Ding, ding, ding. The turns have tabled.
I can't see a damn thing.
Nice.
Oh,
Oh,
I can't see a
I
damn
did no-
thing.
I did no damage.
I can't see a damn thing.
Get flashlights. Oh, is that fire?
Let's go. Almost back to the boat.
What are we supposed to signal him with?
Hey, what if we turn on the burner tank sign?
I'm gonna save this medkit. I'm gonna drink this. Oh. Yeah, better keep them tight.
I'm open.
Can we stop shooting each other?
It's one day you wake up and find. Oh, this is the last. This is the last stage. The last stage.
Reloading.
I think there was one back there. Oh no. Okay. Obviously, we all should be on top. Up top there.
Oh, wait, this is my phone.
Yeah. Wait, don't use it. Don't use it. But just grab one.
Reloading.
Okay. There. Oh, oh, there's two butt bumps up here.
There's a medkit. There's a medkit.
Ammo here.
What the heck?
Alright, let's go.
I will say. Rochelle, get your people, get up.
Get your gat out up here.
I don't got
Yeah, no, this will act as a signal from what I remember.
help.
There. Oh shit! Oh shit! I was healing myself.
Thanks.
Is there a boomer bile down there? No. Don't throw it yet. Don't throw it yet.
Nasty shit.
Okay, let me take a look.
Reloading.
I honestly feel like me and Morrison is in the stalking stage, honestly, bro.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Don't count, don't.
Oh shit! Okay, cut that out. You cut that out. You cut that out.
If I remember it.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay, whoa. There's another.
Do not do the. Holy shit! He flung me. I will heal your ass. Spanking it too hard. For
Get up, get up.
Grenade!
I'm watching the back.
wow. Oh shit, man. Hey, that's racism. It's I'm fat. You're fatphobic. You're phobic. You're homophobic. You're phobic. I saved you. Rochelle. Yeah, this is why the event here is too strong. It's like it shows the it actually shows the reality of. Yeah, I could hear the music. Septic tank. What the hell? It grabbed your leg and threw. It's like it grabbed your leg and threw you. What the fuck? Move out of the way! Oh, you should have used it on your in the staff.
Reloading.
Alice. Shit. There's another tank. Oh! Rescue boat! Rescue boat! The shit! The shit! Oh, come on, come here, come down there, come down there. Protecting you. Oh shit. Come on. So, fuck.
Where's Rochelle? Rochelle's down.
Fuck Rochelle. Fuck Rochelle.
No, we gotta go rescue her. No.
Did you see the state?
In memory of Rochelle. Hey, this time, Alice didn't die. And none of us died. That's a plus.
Well, now that ends the rest of the episode. Thank you for watching. Kill yourself.
Whoa! I'm gonna hit you.
Alright.
Bills use 6.
I used 0, but I'm still the top one.
But bombs used you. Molotovs you. Wait, we've only used 2 Molotovs combined.
That was our favorite thing.
Hell. Then again, we barely found it. Rochelle, most common infected kills. I'm the least.
I feel like Rochelle is too strong. I think she was the same. She got the same one from last time.
Yeah. Well, looks like that's gonna be the end for today. Bye bye.